A planet is in an elliptical orbit around sun. So you have to find out at which position given as A, B, C, and D, where the speed is greatest. So first of all, let me remind you that according to Kepler's first law, we always conclude that the orbital shape of the planets is not perfectly circular, it's elliptical. And that is actually due to the strong pull, which we call gravitational force. Gravitational force of sun on planets. Anyways, wherever the planet is, for example, let's consider at this position. So sun is actually attracting the planet towards its center, which we call force of gravity. And the speed, the orbital velocity is actually in this direction. So this is the direction of orbital velocity. Anyways, so if you see, there are the only one position where the planet is closest to sun, and that you can identify very easily. That is obviously at this position where the planet is closest. Why? Because the distance from the center is smallest, and according to Newton's law of gravitation, that is inversely proportional to the distance square, which we also call inverse square law. For more guidance, I'm also drawing this diagram, which is a relation between the force and the distance. So at this point, the pull is such a strong that the planet has to move very fast in order to sustain and maintain its orbital path. In order to overcome the pull, the planet has naturally have to move very fast at this point. That's why here the planet is fastest. And obviously then this is a position where the same planet will be slowest. It means that when the planet will be passing from this point to this point, the planet will take more time with the passage of time, and it will get slow because the planet is getting far from the center of the sun. And when the planet is coming close to sun, so what is happening? Strength of gravity, force of gravitation is increasing, and as a result the orbital speed is also increasing. So obviously the answer is option D.